Hello dear students, in this video we will talk about another important topic which is known as pleiotrophy. Basically the pleiotrophy, for this process some gene is responsible and these genes are known as pleiotropic genes. We know that for each and every character, for one character, one gene is responsible. But in the case of pleiotropy condition, one gene is responsible for more than one character. It means one gene can be responsible for the 2, 3, 4 characters. We can easily understood the whole process with the help of an example which is known as sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia, it is a autosomal recessive disorder, and which is in this disorder the particular hemoglobin convert into the sickle cell structure. वो हंसिए के आकार की जो आरबीसीज होती हैं वो हंसिए के आकार की नुकीली हो जाती हैं. Now, in human beings, we know that the hemoglobin is made up of two types of alpha polypeptide chains and two types of beta polypeptide chains. Whenever these both polypeptide chains combine together, then they are responsible to make the hemoglobin. Now, in the case of the particular human being, those are suffering from the sickle cell anemia, they have got in one of the beta chain have point mutation. इट मीन्स जो ये बीटा चेन है इसमें से एक चेन में क्या होता है, पॉइंट म्यूटेशन हो जाता है. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द पॉइंट म्यूटेशन, वी विल डिस्कस आफ्टरवर्ड्स. एंड इट इज द ऑटोसोमल रिसेसिव डिसऑर्डर. ऑटोसोमल रिसेसिव डिसऑर्डर मीन्स it have no tendency to express themselves in F1 generation, it express themselves in F2 generation. Now, with the help of the example of the sickle cell anemia, it is also mentioned in NCERT. In normal human beings, these are the all types of amino acids. When these all amino acids combine together, then they are responsible for the polypeptide chain. These amino acids are just like valine, histidine, leucine, lysine, clear glutamic acid, aspartic acid. These all amino acids are present here. How many amino acids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 amino acids, whenever they combine together, then they are responsible for the beta polypeptide chain. Now, this is the normal condition. Normal human beings have got. But the particular human being, those are suffering from the sickle cell anemia. In these human beings, 6th number of amino acid is replaced by valine. यानी जो 6th नंबर पर जो आपका अमीनो एसिड था नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बींग्स में, जो ग्लूटामिक एसिड था, उसकी जगह पर सिकल सेल एनीमिया जिनमें होता है उनकी जगह पर दूसरा अमीनो एसिड आ जाता है जिसे हम वेलिनिन कहते हैं. इट मीन्स ग्लूटामिक एसिड इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय वेलिनिन. Whenever glutamic acid this is replaced by the valine, the particular human beings RBCs change their nature. जो RBCs होती है उनका साइज चेंज होने लग जाता है. देयर साइज अर्लियर ओवल शेप स्ट्रक्चर, नाउ दे कन्वर्ट इनटू द श्रिंकन शेप में चेंजेस आते हैं. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकंड, देन द स्ट्रक्चर इज ऑल्सो चेंज. स्ट्रक्चर आफ्टर सम टाइम कन्वर्ट इनटू द सीकल शेप स्ट्रक्चर और हंसी के आकार का होने लग जाता है. सो टू टाइप्स ऑफ चेंजेस टेक्स प्लेस देयर, बट रिस्पॉन्सिबल इज ओनली वन जीन. Why it is known as a mutant point mutation? Because only one character is replaced by here. One gene is replaced by here, or the one amino acid is replaced by here, and it is एक amino acid को हटाने से ही, थोड़ा सा changes करने से ही दो तरह के changes आ जाते हैं. Shape is also change, structure is also change. Why? Because hemoglobin have got the maximum amount of the RBCs have got maximum amount of the hemoglobin, and hemoglobin play a very important role to carry the oxygen. But whenever these hemoglobins have got valine, then their oxygen efficiency will decrease. So lack of the oxygen, they convert into this shaped structure. At last they convert into the sickle shape structure. So in this way, this condition with how we have got two types of genotypes. First, hemoglobin, the particular person which have got sickle cell anemic gene, a particular person which have got normal condition. So in the case of those have got hemoglobin A or the hemoglobin A, it means those human beings are in normal in condition. They are as it is because they have not any types of sickle cell anemic gene. Now those human beings which have got which hemoglobins are also suffering from the sickle cell anemic gene, and which have also the 50% ratio is also related to the normal RBCs. So these these human beings have got the two types of RBCs. 50% are normal and 50% are affected. ऐसे जो persons होते हैं उनमें क्या होता है, ना ही blood बहुत ज़्यादा होता है ना ही बहुत कम होता है. At last those have got both types of genes, they cannot survive. ऐसे human beings जिनमें क्या होते हैं, ये जीन दोनों के दोनों एलियस में होंगे, वो क्या करते हैं, वो सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाते हैं. क्लियर? इट मीन्स 100% RBCs विल सफर फ्रॉम द सीकल्स कंडीशन. सो इस तरह से इन द केस ऑफ philotropic genes, one gene is responsible for the two types of characters.